Now that a few expansions have passed, why don't we talk about how broken Flareon X really is? Especially when synergized with the Mega Evolutions in DD and Flame Patch. Flareon's ability, Combust, allows it to collect 1 fire energy from your discard pile, sacrificing 20 health, working well within DD, which instantly recovers that, allowing fast setup once you've used your first move. Further pair this with May, the fast cycling of cards. Set up your Mongs quickly. This is the concoction for this disaster. Well, now let's go to a battle, and I'll show you how strong this fire dog really is. We start off by putting in DD in the active spot. Our opponent is playing a Mega Steelix deck, which is one of the top decks from this current meta. On our turn, we use an Oak to draw 2 cards. Unfortunately, we don't get an EV, so we end our turn. Our opponent uses a Heavy Helmet and a P2 to ramp energy onto his Onix. On our turn, we use a Pokeball and draw another in DD. May is then used to cycle through the Pokemon on our hand in hopes of drawing an Eevee. From there, we put an Eevee on our bench and attach a fire energy to an Eevee. With a Flareon X on our bench and Eevee's ability boost evolution, we can safely switch an Eevee and evolve it into Flareon X. From there, Flareon recovers its energy from the discard pile by using its ability. Now we can end our turn. Our opponent starts setting up a second Onix on his bench. On our turn, we draw a Flame Patch, put our Eevee on our bench and add 1 fire energy to our Flareon. Our opponent continues to ramp energy onto his benched Onix. We had 1 more fire energy to Flareon and a Giant Pen before proceeding to one-shot his Onix. Our opponent then finally decides to evolve his Onix into a Mega Steelix. We then add 1 fire energy to our Flareon before combusting and healing, before doing 130 damage to pitching him out once again. Our opponent immediately attacks, doing 120 damage to our Flareon. We continue repeating the process of restacking our Flareon with Combust and then healing within DD. We then can also use the Red Trainer to do an extra 20 damage to X Pokemon. Our opponent decides to heal his Mega Steelix before taking out our Flareon for good. Now we put another Eevee onto our bench. We use May again to search for Flareon X in our deck. We evolve Eevee and quickly ramp it again with Combust and Flame Patches. From here, we use an DD to heal ourselves before taking Mega Steelix down to 10 horsepower. Our opponent tries to stall us by using Sabrina to switch in DD to the active spot. We quickly heal up our in DD using Watch Over before switching Flareon X back to the active spot. We ramp up Flareon for the last time before finally using Fire Spin. Take out Mega Steelix for the last time. This Steelix couldn't handle our Burnt Loaf. This deck is crazy strong.